Hi and welcome to our channel. Today we'll talk about GK Hair Cashmere Hair Cream. We have tested on both dry and wet hair. The manufacturer claims, style your hair to perfection with no frizz in sight. Cashmere Cream is your go-to for a flawless finish with minimal effort. GK Hair Cashmere Styling Cream softens dry hair, leaving it silky and smooth. Suitable for all hair types, it's especially ideal for coarse and curly hair. This styling cream moisturizes each strand without weighing it down, making it perfect for natural waves. It eliminates flyaways and frizz while enhancing shine for a polished look. Packed with Juvexin V2 and natural grain extracts, it locks moisture into the hair, keeping it super smooth. Cashmere also helps detangle, conditions hair, and serves as an excellent blow-drying aid with its creamy consistency. Benefits: eliminates frizz and flyaways, keeps hair soft and smooth all day, supports effortless styling, deeply nourishes hair from within, twice as healthy with Juvexin, V2, and argan oil. Lightweight formula for easy manageability. Use on wet or dry hair to smooth, defrizz, and tame flyaways. Apply from mid-length to ends. Cashmere cream makes blow-drying and styling much easier, giving the hair a smooth and shiny finish. It helps provide a soft and supple feel, making it an excellent styling tool for creating a natural look. Now, we would like to share our thoughts and opinions with you. The fragrance is also very pleasant, offering a fresh and light sensation that lasts throughout the day. However, if you already have frizzy hair or naturally curly hair that you blow dry straight, you may notice that it doesn't do much to combat frizz. While it moisturizes and softens the hair, it doesn't help keep frizz in check for hair that is already prone to it. For those with less frizz or looking for a natural, sleek result, Cashmere Cream can be a great choice. It helps give the hair a controlled, silky feel without weighing it down, making it easier to style. Its lightweight formula ensures that hair feels airy and manageable all day long. The product is also perfect for those who enjoy blow-drying their hair into soft, voluminous styles, thanks to its ability to give hair a silky, glossy appearance. It is a versatile product that works well for a variety of styles, although it may not be the best solution for hair with significant frizz or intense curls. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next exciting video.